Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Photoshop and importing the existing index image plus the new source image as separate layers. Once both are visible, make sure their color mode and DPI match so colors and scale stay consistent. This avoids surprises later. You should name the layers and lock the original background to prevent accidental changes. Next, position the source layer above the index layer and set visibility on. This prepares you to use masking and transforms immediately without wasting time on trivial setup. You now focus on alignment and non-destructive replacement. First, convert the new layer to a smart object and use free transform to fit the index frame precisely. This preserves quality for later adjustments. Once sized, add a layer mask and paint with black and white brushes to reveal or hide areas. Blending seams smoothly. Use adjustment layers, levels, curves, color balance, clip to the smart object so you can tweak color and contrast without altering pixels. This workflow keeps edits reversible and consistent. You finish by creating a flattened copy for export while retaining the original PSD with layers. Apply final sharpening and then export via save for web or export as, choosing the right format and quality settings. Make sure metadata and color profile are correct before saving. If you run into problems, like hard edges or color shifts, reopen the mask and refine it. Use select and mask for hairline edges, or employ the clone stamp on a duplicate layer for spot fixes. That usually resolves the common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.